So car was going like that. He stops the car ahead or whatever. He got off the ceiling. Turns out it was just the wind. This is why this show is wild, guys.
The look of Vin Diesel is based out here, where we kind of we collectively become one movie.
100
No,
out
but-
of 10. 100 out. Sorry.
Oh,
मेरा 500 रुपए वेस्ट.
Sorry. I wanted to ask. I'll come to you.
You can talk to
yes.
them. We've spoken before.
Yes.
2 episodes worth of talking has happened between us.
Yes. How are you with money, Suresh?
Me, see, I'm much older than all of y'all over here. So, very conservative. But beach mein once I started being in this line and suddenly I saw people around me spending money. So, I started spending. Anything came, I used to spend.
Nice.
Oh, you went the other way.
I went the other way, completely other way. From the traditional South Indian that we are.
Yeah.
You know, so paise bacha ke rakho, save money, put in mutual funds, put in shares. Shares is also not allowed. That's gambling. But then I started buying everything, what I saw. Phones used to come, I used to buy all the brand new phones. And
Oh, that MTNL one and all that.
he bought that yesterday, but
that
really,
too.
really good
The one with the
phone.
buttons.
वो time पे अलग अलग phone
With the
आता था.
buttons.
no, the rotary.
Rotary
Yeah.
नहीं, उसके बाद बटन वाला है ना भाई.
Ball hang wala.
अरे you went digital.
Ball hang.
You went digital, huh?
Yeah, of course. I had to use my digit में.
MTNL Pro he bought.
अच्छा.
You bought all of them, all the landlines.
All
Five landlines.
That's why no one has one now. He owns all of them.
Hello. ऐ जोर से बोल hello.
Then he started a PCO service after.
But I really can't believe that today there are no landlines in it.
Exist anymore, yeah.
They don't exist. Anyone has a landline at home? But it was very essential, you know, passport के लिए मतलब what's your home number? Hello, सुरेश मेनन. हाँ, आपका passport verification के लिए है. पुलिस आ गया आपके घर पे क्या? Now it's all on phones. But
I also had a landline. Then I had some work done in the wall. वो लोग को drill करना पड़ा. They cut that wire गलती से, and nothing changed in my house after that. Literally nothing.
now
changed.
you could hear the calls very clearly.
But then, what is the most expensive thing you bought during this time when you were suddenly spending?
So this is a very funny incident. I'm not trying to be a nouveau rich or something like that. But once I had gone to check a car. I wanted to buy a car. I had gone with my son who was 4 years that time. And I saw this place which next to the Merc showroom. It was saying 40% off. So I said, C-class लेने क्या? Lot of 40% off. I was very happy. I went inside and the गाड़ी कैसे दिया? So he told me around, so that time it was around 30, 35. I said, 35? This 40% off के बाद? I said, कौन सा 40% off? तो मैंने 40% off बाहर लिखा है. बोले नहीं सर वो बगल वाले दुकान में टॉवल बेच रहे हैं. But then my ego came in and I said, no, I have to buy this car. You know,
A Mercedes?
But yeah, C-class.
Because of
I
your
bought
ego?
that.
He did it. He did it.
He did. He right.
Foolish mistake because after 2 years I'm telling कैसा गाड़ी बनाता है German engineering, finesse and all this stuff. दो पोर्टल क्या कड़ and the bills were like you could have easily bought a whole fleet of Maruti cars after that. You know, so the advice is don't go for all these fancy names because they really don't work in India.
And they don't have 40% off.
40% off usually.
40% off तो बिल्कुल नहीं.
Yeah.
But
Just
maybe
read-
after paying for the repairs, you may get off.
Wait, don't you still drive a Mercedes?
Do you still have that car?
No.
The
Then
wildest
COVID
part,
happened.
wildest part of the story is that Suresh thought that he was 40%.
And a Mercedes
Mercedes वाले लगाए, they'll be like आज 40% off.
Why would they
एक
put it
sign
out?
डालो रे भाई.
There's a banner outside with a 40%.
Mercedes doing pretty bad nowadays. It's a
Turkish
big
towels
banner.
available 40% off. That was the actual thing.
You thought there was a factory outlet.
This is like Swiggy. You can't, 1+1 तो नहीं मिलेगा Mercedes.
अभी वो भी आ सकता है गाड़ी. Swiggy or Zomato.
Wait, that car, you still have that car?
No, that car is gone.
Oh.
They parked it upstairs, I think.
So now it's only Uber.
But now it's only Uber.
I remember.
cars.
I have a car. I have one.
Yeah, it's only 6.
Yeah, 6. When you go for shoots, it's very essential that you get on off a car. And
Fair,
all that,
yeah.
You know, at least when you go to meet producers.
Yeah.
And then the driver, I tell him कि producer को office के वहाँ पे आए तो just open the door, so they'll think that somebody has come. You know? So I do all that.
गाड़ी
drama.
किसी और का है. he's going-
Or sometimes just wait near your colleague's car. You know, Kiku Sharda's car, I go and wait near the car, pretending it's my own. So it looks very impressive.
But I remember this. I remember this Merc purchase. Suresh had a Santro, and we went on to the ceiling in Santro, and it was the monsoons. And I was sitting next to him. He says, "Arey, mera tire ko kuch ho gaya, bhai." So car was going like that. He stops the car ahead or whatever. He got off the ceiling. Turns out it was just the wind. And then after that, he was like, "Oh fuck, I need to buy a Merc now. Fuck this car."
Other
funny.
from Santro to Merc. That's a very good jump.
Yeah. Comedy used to pay those days. There were no Instagram.
Okay, Cyril, what about you?
Oh yeah, so money and me, it's like a good marriage, right? Only thing is
marriage?
Yeah, a healthy marriage. No, but I'm divorced right now. So with money, with money, not marriage, no. No man, with money. I think I've been.
Don't look at me. What the fuck?
Guys, you're telling me.
Oh, I have to do this.
You're supposed to pay us for all.
They are working together.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
He earns and he pays.
yeah. But I've not seen the money as yet, so I'm not sure if it's.
But
Do I
you
have
had a
lots of
car-
money?
You had a car obsession at one point, no?
I did. I owned 13 cars.
13?
Yeah. 13. I'll buy a 14th one now. It's coming up. No, but
Arey,
So
wo-
are the cars increasing with each? How many
नहीं,
cars?
नहीं,
do you have?
no.
वो Hot Wheels का आता है ना?
Oh, you mean real cars? Oh, no, guys, no. That's 12. That's 12 cars. Sorry, I got that wrong.
But you bought a Lancer twice.
I did. Yeah. I bought a Lancer.
Like you
The
already
first
had one,
Yeah.
and you topped it up with
No,
another
so
one.
I started off buying. I wanted to buy a bike in Bombay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I said, okay, let me just interview like 3 people. Is it good to buy a bike? And the 3 people that I spoke all had serious accidents, broke their legs, fell under a truck. So I was like, let's buy a Lancer. That seems like a safer option to go. And
Two of them.
all 3 of them.
No.
Oh, no, I mean Lancer.
Yeah, the Lancer. Yeah, I bought 2 Lancers, different colors. You know, sometimes you need to.
Like how you get t-shirts sometimes.
Yeah. Mondays white, Fridays were green.
But what about the
Yeah.
Lancer appeal to you? Like what did you like about the Lancer so much?
Well, the car was really, I wouldn't say fast, but it was very, it felt safe back then. Yeah, it was well.
What do you mean?
Yeah, one car
back
didn't feel
then.
safe enough.
Oh, why 2 cars?
Why 2 cars?
Because in case you bang the first one, then the second one's a little
Yeah,
safer.
people won't know. People will be like, हाँ ये वही Lancer है.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, and same color.
That's a very expensive way.
It was a very expensive way. No, so clearly, yeah.
Just suddenly I was reminded of Jose's car stories. But let's finish.
Oh, yeah, let's not go there, any of those car stories. No, so I would say I live life like it's my last day every day.
Nice.
Yeah, that's my motto. You have the money, spend it. If
Fast
you
and
don't
the
have,
Furious is based on his life.
it is. Yeah, the look of Vin Diesel is based out here, but we kind of we collectively become one movie. That's how we go. Yeah. You play
like Vignesh Diesel. Suresh.
But what's the most expensive car you have out of the 12 or 13?
We're really giving numbers. Anyone in the tax department?
IT department is coming after this. You're screwing him over.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. No.
know about the 20%, huh?
I owned a GT. It's a 6 Series GT, souped up, full power.
How much off did you get on that?
How much?
How much percentage off did you get?
Percentage off. Yeah, there was no percentage sign out there. Yeah, I think they kind of released. But I did get a speeding ticket because you do get carried away. And the cop stopped me, and then he's like, "This is the Pune Express Highway." He's like, "Come with them." And then we're all laughing. The 6 cops there. I thought, that's the end of my, trip. And then he shows me. He said, "Yeah." He's saying 270. Okay, so the car did 270 on. It was a straight road. Do not ever do that, guys. I fully do not do it. We all laughed. They laughed more because they got a big fine. And that was the last of I ever did a speed run. I now drive at 60 kilometers.
GT is a BMW?
Yeah, it's a BMW.
Yeah, okay,
It
matte
is.
black.
Yeah. Oh, you saw the car?
Yeah, I've seen you. that question came from...
He keeps his windows down also.
I stick my head out in case. I mean, like, Subtle, very subtle that way.
मेरा GTA है.
Sorry, I'm sorry I gave the details.
No, it's not. It's switched now. That car's gone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Vignesh now owns it. Yeah. Yeah, say what to you?
Well, after
Compared
last
to
time,
these guys, bro.
Yeah.
One guy with a Merc, other guy with 7 cars and a BMW.
The Ford Icon.
Yeah.
The iconic car.
वो मैकेनिक ने सब कचरा बना दिया मेरा इंजन का.
15 years he had it.
Cyril in his BMW going down hill road and all. And I'm taking a rickshaw, bought vegetables and all. I get off the rickshaw, literally outside Cyril's mom's place, and somebody, so fortunate and blessed, he recognized me. He said, "Hey, the rickshaw use करते हैं." I was so shocked. I didn't know how to react to that. So I was like, क्या use करूँ फिर? And then like 20 minutes later, I was like, oh fuck, that guy was making fun of me.
You thought it was a genuine question.
Yeah, he's like, hey, rickshaw use करते हैं. And this dude just got out from the 87 bus.
Yeah.
BST. And he's saying, hey, rickshaw use करते हैं. I'm like, what the fuck?
utarte. But other than that, what have you been spending on rickshaws?
No. I go to Amazon and I sort by price. Ulta.
Oh, high to low.
No, low to high.
So
That way
whatever
you
is
save some
available in
money.
low.
The
Ekdam
lowest
low
category.
mein.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's the
Phone,
cheapest thing you've
low
ordered
में.
so far from Amazon?
Yeah, what's the lowest में क्या आता है?
200 में कुछ अच्छा है मैं दिखाएगा तुम लोग
Okay,
अच्छा,
oh, yeah,
अच्छा,
okay,
अच्छा,
okay,
अच्छा,
okay.
अच्छा,
200 का?
200
अरे,
का.
क्या
And
बात
this time you can't show me up by saying नहीं मेरे को 150 में मिला है ना. Proper price.
So last time you had gotten this toothbrush holder,
Yeah.
जो if any of you have watched it, it was like what was it, a cup-like thing?
Yeah, which you're supposed to keep outside the washroom.
Yeah, you're supposed to keep outside the washroom, but it protects your toothbrush only from ऊपर. नीचे से anything can go up. Do you
उतना
still-
पैसा में उतना ही मिलता है.
Do you still have that?
Yeah, I still have that, of course.
You still keep it?
It's still
Yes.
outside
You
the
think I
washroom.
buy stuff for fun?
Yeah.
Like these guys? My
But you still
practical.
keep it
I have it.
outside of your bathroom.
Outside, yes.
When guests come.
I don't
you're
lie
like-
and all on these podcasts, bro.
Oh,
I just
sorry.
come and I tell you how my life is. Yeah.
Guests come, you're like, ये मेरा toothbrush.
No, I
देख
don't
लो."
let them touch it.
I
not allowed.
didn't
That's
say
not
touch
allowed.
it.
It's in my bedroom there. तुम लोग hall में बैठो.
Why are guests coming and touching you?
He said it.
What is going on in this house?
I don't know what
He's
goes.
like, oh, thank you for calling me to your house. Oh, toothbrush, nice.
Soft bristles.
Very soft bristles.
Don't touch my toothbrush.
But other than that, how have you been with money
Yeah. In the last
in
4
general?
months.
Buying pickup.
Hello?
Income tax department. हेलो हमने सुना ये 4 गाड़ियाँ
4-5 गाड़ी
वो आदमी
Suresh, my name is Suresh Menon.
इधर हुई नहीं.
वो आदमी जिसने 200 का चीज खरीदा उसको जाने दो बाकी लोग को पकड़ो no
But there's nothing else you've been spending.
No, I've been spending
I keep
small
seeing your
stuff.
stories, huh?
Hold on one second. Are you saying?
No,
नहीं, वो सब
Hold on
free
a
में
second.
मिलता है.
अच्छा, TV.
Ask him
Acha, not the
specifically
TV.
what he spent in the last 24 hours.
Oh.
Yeah.
What have you spent?
Are you guys my friends or but I bought a TV
Yeah.
Yes.
because my old TV got spoiled. I'm not like I have a TV, let me get it it might feel lonely.
Hold on
Let me get another
one second.
ये मेरा गाड़ी है उसके ऊपर एक और गाड़ी डालते हैं. Fuck, these people are insane, bro.
Oh,
They have too much money.
Hold on a second. I got a button in this one.
Hello.
Okay, so he bought a TV.
Adam.
Everyone needs to buy a TV.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. He bought a 75-inch TV.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah.
But not if you're sitting 5 feet away. Okay. I don't know how you justify it to the sales guy, but he's like, I sit 5 feet away. 85 inch है 75 inch है like I think sir 43 काफी है नहीं 75 दे दे मेरे को
Oh, it's like you're in the sphere. बस हर जगह बस TV दिख रहा है.
He's right though, so we've connected the building ka landing now. Everybody watches
वो
it. Community thing.
ads बट दे दो.
It's like a billboard outside
Yeah,
the building
yeah,
now.
एक कल मैच देखने हो तेरे घर पे.
Everyone
निकाल के दे सकता है वहाँ.
सब लोग देख रहे हैं already. आ जाओ तुम.
But what kind of TV is this?
It's a
Visual one. वो. No, I picked up an LG TV.
Okay.
Q Ned.
Oh, it keeps
Evo?
going.
I don't know why they named it like that. They were expecting something out of it, but yeah.
What do you mean?
It's an LG TV Q Ned.
Ned.
Yeah.
Ned.
Ned
What's Ned?
Ned.
NED
LED.
Oh,
Like LED.
yeah.
It's above LED.
अपने को क्या पता है?
Anyone work some LG out here?
No, it's a great
okay.
TV.
That's very
Damn good TV.
specific.
Could you work at LG in TV department specifically?
In the QNet division.
But listen, Sinjo, asking about his relationship with money.
Why are we back from here?
Yeah.
Why are we back out here? We saw your 2 phone calls
I
already.
use Cyril like this. You know, you get these apps which will tell you the best price.
Yeah.
So Cyril जाता है पहला विजय सेल्स में. Hello, ये टीवी कितने का है? सर ये 1 लाख का टीवी है. Okay, bye. अरे सर रुको 1 मिनट कितने में दे सकता है? So Cyril completely like not interested. अंदर से देख मेरे को चाहिए but बाहर से देगा नहीं चाहिए. So he says, I'll give you this deal. Then Cyril says, okay, let me call you tomorrow. Then he goes to Chroma. Then he goes to Kohinoor. Then he goes to Amazon. He checks all these prices, comes back, collates all the prices, and then you get the best deal.
And then he buys a Lancer.
That's how.
Yeah. It's same visual.
Answer at double the price.
Answer to everything is Lancer. Yeah.
In the end, one more car. That's it.
But solid strategy. Cyril,
Yeah, but I think it's a great strategy for everyone who's out there is you basically go to 3 brands, okay? You get the price, and then you make them talk to each other.
Yeah.
Make them
And
talk.
they fight, dude.
They can fight, yeah.
You go to a
Whoever
pub, you go to a club, go wherever, watch a movie, they'll fight with each other. It's like, "Arey, 50, I'll give you 45. Give you 35, 25. Sir, mera bachcha bhi le leo."
This is like those videos. There are videos of multiple AIs talking to each other.
Yeah, that's it. It works beautiful.
Hello.
I did not know
Aapko
that you
kitne
could get a
मिल रहा है?
discount. Like I didn't know you could get deals at a, like I thought Chroma said like, oh, this 10 rupees, matlab, acha, theek hai.
Yeah, but so what happened then? They fought with each
They
other?
fight
Yeah.
till the other guy is almost like in tears. The first guy was almost crying. Like he's like, oh, no, sir, please. That's the lowest.
Okay, but
And you
if
go with
they're
that guy.
fighting, are you also on the call?
No, he's chilling.
He's chilling.
So
वो
Chroma
Lancer
gives
में
me
घूम रहा है.
information. I'm going out, chill. Lancer. Why am I still driving the Lancer, by the way?
Because you have so many of them.
And in the end, you come back and you're like, "Kaun jeeta?"
Kaun jeeta? Acha, these guys are giving me the cheapest, so go with them. That's it.
So it's a bidding war.
And I
but
messaged
opposite.
the other 2 guys and saying, "See, I'm sorry. They gave me a this
Participation certificate.
The guy said, "Oh, good price, brother." I said, "ठीक है, then buy it from the other one."
Even that guy's like, I cannot match this shit. Fuck it. उधर से ही ले लो.
Try it, guys. If you don't think this, try it.
Cyril started his own sales Olympics.
Yeah.
Next time you try.
We don't need AI for this.
He has an app. It's called Cyril Shopping.
It's my Instagram. Just DM me. I'll help you guys out.
He,
Yeah.
It's an app, but he goes there personally. हर किसी का.
I wear a T-shirt that says,
It's just his phone number.
Voice.
"You should call me for the Mercedes, man. I'd rather chat with them here."
Yeah, of course.
I've never had salespeople bargain for me.
But can I tell you something? This is an amazing learning because I got this piece of information from someone who used to was CEO of Red Bull, who went and then he said, "Yeah, I went and I bargained at Chroma." I said, "You bargained?" I said, "What is this? What is this new thing?"
What do you mean? You didn't know what bargaining was?
No, I didn't know you could go to a big store. I don't know. I was like, first, what is bargain? Okay, now I understand that. But how do you go to Chroma and bargain? And he says, like, yeah, you can go to any store and the gap that they have is insanely large. So so you just go
Yeah,
and
because I think they have to fill some quota. Every salesman has to fill some quota, so they get some
so
discount which they can
margin
give.
like
Yeah.
if you buy a Samsung product from Samsung itself, you will not get a bigger discount than if you go to a store and buy it because they buy like 1,000 pieces
Correct.
and so their margins are massive.
Samsung CEO is watching this code out. काट डालो इसको. सब कुछ खत्म करो इसको.
उसका टीवी का फॉर्मेट डिलीट कर ले जल्दी.
He's making them do Mortal Kombat. और तुम्हें विजय सेल्स कोहिनूर fight.
Okay, I feel like we're gonna get a lot of hate on this.
Okay,
But I want to ask you
I
one thing also, because we are in this industry. Sometimes we get some projects which is zero work, but a lot of money.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Have you guys gotten any projects where you're like, I can't
Less work
believe
also
they're
can be-
paying so much money for this?
Yeah, I did that last year.
Oh.
Big Boss Malayalam. It's the same thing.
You're so good at it, man. So good.
How is the less work? Is that less work?
It's less work only, actually speaking. Just faffing around, then somebody will start a fight. Then either you choose to be in the fight or you just keep on watching them and enjoy.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
allowed.
That's it.
Either you can
that's
involve or
allowed.
be a spectator.
That's allowed, but within 2 weeks you get kicked off. That happened with me. So you need to stay there and fight. But if you're okay, cool with it, just be watched with people fighting. And of course, food is a problem.
Yeah.
But then because of my excess weight, I managed
Oh, really? How?
There's some fat stored inside me, so it kept on. Actually, lost weight over there.
Like a camel.
Yeah, it's functioning like a camel.
Everyone's like, Suresh doesn't need any food. He's just. But how long did you
2 weeks.
survive? Oh, it's actually 2 weeks
Actually,
only.
2 weeks, yeah. But that's one thing I felt as an actor. There's nothing much to do, yaar. You have to just find out कि क्या करना है, किसके साथ झगड़ा करूँ आज. Hey, Cyril! And Cyril say, क्या हुआ? क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? तू मुझे क्यों देख रहा है? You know, these are
You
things
just
that I know.
find- is it
so
like-
basically nothing.
Okay,
It's
I wanted
nothing
to-
money, but a lot of celebs will make a lot of money over there now because the mandate is go there, fight with people randomly, come out and then says, "Arey, sorry, yaar, we are all colleagues end of the day." You know? दिवाली पार्टी है कल मेरे घर पे आजा.
और अंदर तेरा गान में डाल दूंगा बच्चों. How's the family around?
बच्चे
Got the Diwali sweets.
You got the sweets.
But like, did you not fight with anyone throughout the 2 weeks?
No, I did pick up a fight with somebody who said something very strange. So I did fight with him. And Malayalam channel mein I went hammer and tongs in Hindi.
That'd be
मैं तेरे
very.
घर पे आके उठा लूंगा तेरे को समझा ना तेरे बीवी बच्चों को क्या भाई मुंबई से
I was going to ask that. Ki, this much. I mean, I'm sure you speak in Malayalam, but is it something that?
Oh no, I'm a complete Mumbaiker in
Yeah.
that sense. Though I do have a South Indian accent. I'm sorry, but yeah. So the Malayalam that they spoke, many times I had to tell Big Boss, Suresh in the same voice. Then I have to say, sir, can you say it in simple Malayalam? That I can understand. So I had to do that a lot of
maybe-
times and ask the other contestants, kya bol raha, you know. Then I picked up a few words and I was like quite settled over there. But then thank God I came out.
Maybe this is why you didn't fight. Because someone was trying to fight with you and you were like, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
वो भी हो सकता है. Apparently the guy with whom I fought, he was abusing the shit out of me. Near the entrance, he was threatening to do a walkout and all. And he has abused a lot. So all these other contestants, they say, अरे बाप रे, बहुत गाली दिया. मैंने कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. क्या झगड़ा करो इसके बाद? छोड़ दे.
He's cursing you and you go and just hug him. Like,
I understand, bro.
But it is good money. Now, is it?
It is good money because I think the people who survive over there, they deserve all the money that they're
Yeah.
making. Seriously, honestly, they deserve it.
you to looked at it as fat loss camp.
Diabetes has come down.
This is a new diet.
But people who are watching also deserve some of that money.
Actually, they do. But imagine one day I was sleeping in the night and suddenly some big fight is happening somewhere. So I got up and wondering, building के बाहर कुछ हुआ. So opened the curtain, I'm looking at my wife and saying, Big Boss देख रही हूँ. So that चुपचाप. She doesn't speak like that.
So I've seen
This can go on.
Is she in the audience?
Is she?
I like the disclaimer. You said.
She doesn't speak like that.
So, why are you doing this?
She's the queen.
I'm just watching Big Boss.
Married Elizabeth, Queen Elizabeth.
She's a queen.
But in Big Boss, I wanted to ask this. I've seen the Hindi ones. I've seen thoda sa Malayalam ones because I think my mom was watching it also. But did you wake up in the morning and then dance? That's what I've seen on Big Boss.
Oh yeah, I did that. So I had some steps which I'd learned from Ashwin Mushran and Kiku. So I went there every morning. I made sure that I danced and all that stuff because
Really?
apparently that's a thing to keep yourself in the limelight. If you're dancing, the camera will come, you know, they bounce. They do that whole thing over there. And I came back and I'm watching on OTT. ये लोग मेरा डांस डाला ही नहीं है और मैं वहाँ पे पूरा गोविंदा की तरह all those dances nothing they didn't keep
But
anything.
Suresh, that's because you don't have any clothes.
Oh shucks, I forgot.
Yeah, you have to keep your clothes on, that's why.
Maybe.
Now, if you watch that full Big Boss, I know that behind the camera there's you dancing with no camera around.
Quite possible. But that was a compulsory thing that you have to wake up and then dance.
And then dance.
Yeah, so but lot of
And
us
then fight.
There are 4 or 5 of us who used to get up very early, have a tea and all this stuff. Then the music stuff, we used to go out and do dance and all this stuff. When the other guys were sleeping, they'll come out. In 2 seconds, they're dancing like mad people. You know, the camera is on them. So I said, shit, how do they do this?
And then fight.
And then fight.
And then immediately, this is such
And then
a
eat.
weird
And
environment.
again fight. So if you should have at least 4 or 5 fights in a
In
day.
you,
Then
yeah.
only there's masala.
Yeah.
Right?
Have you, if they call you on Big Boss for a lot of money, would you do Big Boss Malayalam?
अरे हिंदी
I won't understand anything, but
I think we should all vote Jose inside Big Boss.
Yeah. Start a petition.
they're like, अरे वो
4 करोड़ में तो करेगा तू.
Of course.
He's not talking about money, but
अच्छा. No, but it's very boring for them. वो आदमी 2 दिन से सो रहा है.
उठा ही नहीं.
उसको खाना भी नहीं चाहिए.
ये घर के अंदर एक टीवी कैसे मंगा लिया इसने?
75 inch.
75 इंच टीवी.
कमाल है.
यहाँ पे भी.
और राज
लेके क्यों सो रहा है?
and Salman comments, Jose जी आप सो रहे.
हाँ मामा. कौन है?
सिरिल साहब आप हमेशा बाथरूम जाने के लिए भी लाइंसर को इस्तेमाल करते हैं.
Why am I in the Big Boss house? मुझे कैसे पहुंच गया अंदर?
But would you do Big Boss for a car?
Not even offering me money anymore.
Cyril 5
Like the
crores.
Lancer which was in 2000.
Cyril 5 crores.
Yeah, I'd definitely do it.
He's getting more than.
Yeah. I'm getting more. I got 1 more crore than you.
He loves birds. You said crow, na? That's why he's like, oh,
I just cracked 1 crore.
6 crores.
I'll take 2 pigeons even.
मैं अपना back seat में रखेगा.
Back seat.
Okay,
Alright,
now.
let's get to the products.
Yes. Let's.
Oh,
Suresh,
damn.
sir.
Suresh.
Now,
Suresh
I
is
know
gonna-
you have it
Right here.
in your pouch.
This is wild. I've never seen Suresh with a bag before.
I'm
This
scared.
is what you've spent on recently, right?
The bag.
No, not the bag. The under wala product. This is.
What is this?
What is that?
I need help
Premium
with this
screen
actually.
Oh, you need help.
It's called a screen protector glass, premium tempered glass.
Why does it look like a book?
Yeah, it did.
What is this?
It looked like one of the DVD covers, you know.
Suresh, did you think you were coming to Palika Bazaar?
No, when I never opened it. I
Oh
thought
wait, is this?
Suresh.
Oh, you just wanted this put on your phone.
You wanted to put it on your
No, I
phone?
wanted to put it on my phone.
This is a book about screen protectors. Which page are you on now, Suresh?
It's on page 5.
What is this?
But this is the history of screen protectors.
Wild,
See, it
bro.
has got something stuck over here.
Comes with
Shit, what
sunglasses
is
and all. This is crazy.
Sunglasses.
I don't know. It just looks
Why
like
is it
that.
sticky?
I don't know because
That's how you protect.
they told me to put something in middle of the phone and then move that whole thing around the phone. I got so scared. This is
What is this?
It's got some laser light with which you have to dry.
To dry.
Can you help me do that?
Yeah, you can meet Suresh after the show, please, guy. And
There's someone else who has bought this?
Yeah.
Have you?
Oh
It's good.
man,
This is why this show is wild, guys. You'll never find this.
someone. Wait, how did you do it?
Suresh just saw it.
Did you manage to do it?
No.
Okay,
It's still there.
inside.
It's
No,
there,
wait.
still
He
there
knows.
inside.
He knows.
You know how to do it?
Yeah.
Glue will dry faster when you use laser on it.
But they said put the whole glue in middle of the phone.
Yeah.
And then?
Place the glass,
Huh.
per glass, and then it will spread automatically.
Acha.
Then you just
Laser.
laser.
You know why it didn't work for Suresh? वो अपना drink का glass डाला. Hello Amazon customer service. ये क्या नल्ला product बेच रहे तुम लोग? मेरा glass इसके ऊपर है.
You know, I kept this. I held on to it because I thought I'll ask Jose to help me with it. But
Fuck,
clearly
nobody
you
can
don't
help
know.
you with this.
You do not know what
I don't even know what is happening over here, bro.
Why there's so many?
Okay, wait. 1 second. Let's see.
This is the glue.
ये अपना
Okay.
urine
It's a
sample
laser.
डालना है.
Laser is that white.
What is this, bro?
It's filled, but
Oh shucks, that was my
Okay.
sample. Suburban diagnostics.
Suburban diagnostics. What a specific call out. Like people in Bandra know suburban diagnostics. What the fuck, too good.
Guy, my
Oh, orange guy. Okay, orange diagnostics.
You give it to Suburban Diagnostics. They're like, हाँ, screen protector डाल सकते हो आप. इससे क्या related है? There's wet wipes.
Of course.
Wet wipes. So that, oh shucks,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
that's it.
There's stickers.
Yeah,
Guide
what-
stickers.
dust,
Dude, he's by the way, he's really invested.
yeah,
He's
excited about it. Yeah.
are you a distributor?
Those are for fingerprints.
Yeah, this will take the dust particles off.
Oh,
Oh.
But that's only when you're using this, not for like every day.
On the phone, Suresh is like. निकल गया.
blackheads.
blackheads. You've used this, no?
No, there was something
He's
inside.
folded and put it back in.
All these things
This
go
is-
inside that.
This is a patch installation cleaning kit.
That one. Those stickers.
Sorry.
This is what he opened, yeah.
Official translator of
First, you have to.
Clean the screen, your phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But I think the biggest problem is Suresh doesn't own a phone. So I think that's where we're getting.
It doesn't work on a landline.
Just bought the whole kit. Now he'll buy the phone. So then.
Oh, you want to protect your landline?
That's why it's not working.
He kept putting it on the wall and it's coming down. It's not sticking.
It's like, hello, Amazon, ये नहीं चल रहे थे.
I never stick anything on the wall. I'll get beaten up.
Landline protector is not something I thought. But have you put this on?
Yeah, did you
your phone
manage
now?
No, not yet.
Oh,
Everything
you-
is still there, as
Okay.
it is.
Okay.
So now I'll.
Yeah, he'll
You're
put you after
sure
the show.
now?
Okay.
I think
put that in the middle
he
of the
can-
phone.
What
and
a
then-
show this is, bro. This guy is gonna do he's gonna put this
Can you
on.
do it? How long you think it'll take to put it?
Oh, it takes time.
It takes
Okay,
time.
okay.
वो bubbles नहीं आना चाहिए हाँ? Then Suresh is watching him put it. He's like, sir, काम करने दो ना.
And what if somebody
हो रहा है
calls
क्या?
up at that time, you pick it up instinctively and kachak, इधर से पक गया तो it will get stuck.
Oh, switch off your phone. He has an answer. You ask. You just ask. What else?
That means I should do it only at home, not when I'm outside shooting or something.
So you're going to take him home with you now.
The drive back all the way to Mira Road.
Yeah, he
तो
says
आप
in
क्या
Mira
करते हैं? अच्छा, आपके पास भी है ये स्क्रीन पे? डिनर किया?
That's the only topic I can talk about.
Why?
But how much was it? Oh, okay, I see it. That's very. Oh.
Was it like a 2-in-1 kind of a situation? Like you got
कितने का लिया
No,
सर?
no,
एक में एक ही आता है?
1,000.
Oh wow!
That's expensive.
इसके लिए
Yeah,
एक
it
भी
is,
बहुत
man.
ज्यादा है इसमें.
वो एक 289 का भी खुश था लेकिन मैं डर गया वो देख के. I thought कि what if it doesn't work
How
or
much?
something.
1,000.
Oh.
I think you got
Yeah.
scammed.
Hoshang, I'll let you take over.
Yeah, I think you got scammed.
No, I had some- I
for
got-
500.
Really?
Yeah.
300. is
Amazon.
Like you
They're
go to a
very
store,
happy.
they'll do it cheaper for you.
They're very happy someone bought this. They're like, thank you for your purchase. It's an honor to see you choose our brand despite another brand. What?
What?
I swear that's what's written.
And I thought that they were saying that because it's me. मेरा नाम भी नहीं लिखा है.
You thought,
No.
custom printed a box.
Seriously, I thought
It's an honor to see you choose this brand despite another. They know that.
Yeah.
You
they're
bought it
the-
off Amazon,
They're like,
right?
thank you, Suresh, you're the only customer. It's written out there even.
They're watching you, sir.
Very customized.
I see is another.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
This is like a Mary Poppins.
Yes.
bag.
It's,
What is this?
Things to Doraemon. This is a Doraemon.
Oh
I
my
thought he
God,
caught a
why
bird
you
or
an animal in
something,
there?
What a bird. Is that?
I got so scared. I was like, oh fuck, this show is gonna get shut down.
So I like to collect wigs.
You like to
And-
collect wigs?
Yeah, I do because I've gone commando on my head. So I wanted to get this and I want to do some Ashok Kumar characters on Instagram. You know, so they sent me this and I don't know, this didn't work for me.
I'll listen.
I got you guys.
Oh, thank you so much. Let me try.
Oh, it goes on your head. मैं कब से देख रहा हूँ उसका क्या
Confused,
फीचर है
How is he going to get it there? We're just figuring it out. That's why I took the mic from you even. You can take the mic back.
प्लीज पुट इट ऑन सो वी आर ऑल सब लोग तड़प रहे हैं लोग यार क्या दिखाएगा
Oh, the suspense. Oh my god.
Amazing.
I don't know how many people have seen it, but you look like Goku. Super Saiyan Goku.
Goku not when you make
Dragon Ball Z.
But Goku, if he stopped exercising.
So I thought I'll do some, reels because he always tells me that you should be more out there on social media. So I thought I'll get a wig and do some rap song.
No, I was saying delete your social media.
That's what he said.
हाँ उधर बाहर जाके
I thought he said daily social media. You said delete your social media.
So go out and delete it.
Daily delete करो, next day वापस download करो, delete करो.
It didn't work because a lot of people said they were trying to make fun of someone. I said no. Then I said Ashok Kumar. Then they said who? So today's generation doesn't know the earliest rap singer was Mr. Ashok Kumar.
Kumar.
Yeah. रेलगाड़ी बीच वाले स्टेशन बोले रुक गोरेगांव धड़क लोहे की सड़क
Bars, dude, bars.
So nobody knows. So then I did try to put out a video and I got some 5 likes on it. That's it.
Oh, nice.
That was
And then somebody said that was No, that was you, me.
Yeah. No, I hit it twice by mistake.
Oh.
I liked it back in.
Even I liked it 3 times.
It's always 2 times with Cyril.
so it's 2 times.
answers, 2 likes.
It's like, oh no, did I like it? I can't like it. Like it, okay, back in.
Acha, you were the guy, Deadly Lancer.
That's me. I'm very subtle with my youth. It's Deadly Lancer 79.
But do you have more, in general, do
How
you
many
have
wigs
more
do you have now?
wigs?
Yes, I have 10 wigs.
10 wigs.
Yeah, so my makeup person, Mr. Arun Gire, gave me a lot of wigs just as a personal collection.
Yeah.
And then I like to keep on buying something or the other from Amazon again.
Wigs?
Yeah, so this came at that time, $8.99.
Oh, it appreciates.
No. I have not experienced that.
Will I get
No, I
refund or
think I got a good deal on that.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Look at the way I'm looking.
Why is it this?
Can you, like,
If you had
flip
just shown
it
up
around?
like this, I'm like, oh, that's just Suresh's hair.
one wig, 6 hairstyles.
Maybe this is better. Mohawk.
Nice.
Now he looks like the android from Dragon Ball Z.
Now you just can't move much.
Yeah, no.
If you're sitting, this is a great hairstyle.
Yeah.
Oh,
But just by moving together, you get 10 years younger, Suresh.
Yeah?
Yeah, super.
Damn it. अभी रात को ऐसे कर वापस जाते हैं.
Is it like, are the other wigs different colors or do you just...
They're black. Of course, there's a curly wig, which is my favorite. Because that helps me to do, hi there. I'm Sachin. Anything curly is Sachin Tendulkar. Wigs, I mean. Just clarifying that.
But Suresh, this wig collecting hobby it's not weird at all.
Yeah, it's not. So,
Just want to say that.
You are telling a bald man that?
Yeah, it's not weird.
I wanted to ask, do you keep the wigs on like a bald mannequin?
Yeah, like do
At
you
home?
put them
No, I
like,
got these plastic containers, which I
like
got
how
free.
people get for sneakers.
Yeah.
Very
It's
carefully.
Tupperware for wigs.
Yeah, so I do that.
Weird
So because I'm thinking sometimes maybe I should start a business with this. Cyril.
Yeah,
Ten
absolutely.
wigs.
Instead of wearing
Absolutely.
caps, you can just wear a wig and go out for. If you're going for a funeral, maybe you should wear this.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
You look a little bit.
Oh yeah, a
serious
blonde wig at a funeral. 100%. Yeah, it works
Yeah,
well.
you know, like
No,
token
age.
white person
Correct.
at weddings.
Yeah,
This
there.
is a token white
Yeah.
person with
At a
blonde hair at a funeral.
Acha
Yeah.
aadmi tha, you know. And then a black, darker wig when you go for weddings.
Yeah.
And a funky wig when you go for parties. And when you're getting drunk, don't wear a wig at all because it'll fly off.
But is there blonde, black, curly, but no other color? No, like blue? or-
No,
None
not
of
yet.
those?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Do you have an aim to buy?
I don't know. I'm looking at, like, I need a wig like Tom Cruise.
Oh, he has a wig?
Yeah, of course.
What?
Why
This
is
is a
the
rumor.
audience like
Sorry,
Tom
Tom.
sitting in there somewhere?
Sorry, Tom.
Of course,
Yeah, he's
Tom.
watching Special Winter, yes.
You never know.
Yeah, you never know.
You never know.
The AI will say, somebody took my name in India. You're talking about my wig.
Why is his hair looking like mine?
I didn't know Tom Cruise wore a wig.
Of course.
I didn't know he spoke like that.
That sounds exactly like Tom Cruise. Actually.
Hey, but I can do a great voice of Christian Slater.
Go ahead.
Oh, amazing. Christian Slater.
Yeah.
First, we'll listen to Christian Slater.
Hey, dude, broken arrow, man.
Wait, I
and
don't know who
then
Christian-
Saif Ali Khan.
Hi, मैं हूँ सैफ अली खान. Karina.
Just the word Karina.
That's how you know it's
Yeah, he just says Karina.
Seth.
It's that.
Authentic that
Yes,
way,
yes.
yeah.
Others without the Karina, it's
Yeah,
Christian
that's
Bale.
so. Is
Most
it
of
real
what he
hair in the wig? Like, are these...
No, this is synthetic hair. So the other 2-3 ones that Arun
curly
Gire
one is
gifted me,
Sachin's hair?
that got real hair, yeah.
Oh, Sachin's hair?
Sachin's hair is also synthetic. But
Oh, okay.
Wait, the real Sachin is in there.
Oh, Sachin's real hair is there. I mean,
Okay. But the other wig which has real hair, do you have like specific shampoo for those?
Yeah, you need to wash them regularly. Like
With
at least
soap?
once. If you're using it continuously, you need to wash it.
Do you need to be wearing them while you wash it?
You can.
For real feel आने के
You
लिए.
can. You can.
Can you go
do
to a
that.
salon for a hair wash?
That you can do. So now there are hair systems. That's what they call it. So they basically stick a wig on you
Yeah.
with a gum, and you can go swimming, you can take a bath, you can shampoo regularly, but after every 1 month, you need to go and get it serviced. So your stubble in your... Yeah, they'll remove it again and then...
Suresh lies down over there. Servicing करा दो ऐसा. अच्छा उल्टा.
No, that's in Thailand.
I'm just imagining Suresh, you know, at the end of the week, he's got like 7 wigs and he's washing them.
Bucket के अंदर.
सुरेश बाथरूम के अंदर क्या कर रहे हो 1 घंटे से?
Okay, Cyril, what have you been
Cyril, what have
spending on?
you...
Oh, I mean, I don't have an extensive list like Suresh out there. Suresh has set the benchmark quite high right now.
Yeah. A wig
Yeah.
business.
Yeah, but there was one device that I throw it to the audience. Yeah, I'll throw it to the audience, you know, there. So I basically
So this
did...
is Cyril's butt plug.
Yeah. This is the smaller one, but okay, by the way. The smaller one. This is the bigger one I have.
He
Yeah,
said this is the smaller one.
This is the deadly lancer.
This is the Lancer, guys. I sold my Lancer by this one. It's I call it Matthew. So basically, we all face mosquito issues, no matter which floor you stay in. So I did don't touch it.
Fuck, अपने आप हिल रहा है.
Very sensitive, dude.
It's
Very,
a
very, very
sentient
sensitive.
butt plug.
Very sensitive. There you go. Wait, you said butt plug, and why did you go to grab it?
But entry point इधर है ना.
One was sharing. This is not the toothbrush sharing story. Okay,
Don't tell it. It's a button सब इधर है. देखो.
You're sharing toothbrushes, you're sharing butt plug.
बटन इधर है. इधर से जाता है.
Hold on 1 second. How do you know where the button was?
I don't believe you did that.
This side up.
ये butt plug के ऊपर हाथ क्यों है?
I have no idea what that does, by the way. Apparently, hoezaay does. So anyway, research. I wanted to get a mosquito killer. I was like, okay, I got to get this where I can sit down in peace. Besides wanting to migrate to a country where there's no mosquitoes.
Yeah.
Apparently, it's one country. But I said, okay, this great commends, kills mosquitoes, kills insects, kills everything. It has done jack for me, dude. It is absolutely jack. In fact, it does this, then it does this. Ooh. The only thing this has helped is the mosquitoes now can see where they're flying. Alright, because I was like, he's like, oh, there's the human. I just come flying to him, and it's like sitting and grabbing my blood like it's 50% sale. Yeah.
You should keep it near the window so they're like, अच्छा यहाँ से बाहर जाना है.
I go up to them. They don't even I have to go and find them. So please, can you get into this?
They don't even hover around
No,
the
they
light.
don't. They don't. I caught one even. I managed to catch one and I put him there. He walked away. He got up, he walked away. He's like, thank you guys. It felt nice and warm. It was great. It was a great conversation
So
then.
what is this supposed to do?
So this is supposed to, apparently, attract mosquitoes that are near you. So instead of seeing, oh wow, that sounded like the car animal.
But that's the biggest scam of this product because mosquitoes are not interested in these
The
kind of
UV
lights.
light. Yeah. Oh, wait,
interested in
You spoke to them?
good shows.
Oh, good shows.
Netflix, we can have a little screen over there.
Yeah.
But I've seen bigger versions of this outside Shiv Sagar and rest.
Yeah, but those
flies.
Yeah, those are flies.
mosquitoes.
They don't attract mosquitoes. So this,
Neither do these.
if you go to Amazon, I love Amazon.
Yeah.
But if you go to Amazon, this is sold as the number one mosquito killer.
So imagine the number 2. That's even worse.
I should have bought the number 2.
At least you got the best worst product.
Yeah. But there was a good 100 comments, and this one guy saying, Chutia. I did not listen to him. I should have listened to that one comment. He was the most honest comment in 100 comments.
Dude, just
there is a mosquito here.
He went past it.
Oh, it's so away.
Right there.
The mosquito came out from this. It has joined us today.
This is the
It's a mosquito hotel now.
Yeah,
It is
This
a
is
hotel.
actually a mosquito taxi or something.
Yeah.
Some kind of mosquito Uber.
Put the light on, they come, oh, it's free, they sit in
it's
there.
flights for mosquito. They go from one location to another.
Absolutely, yeah. And it's not like it's $200. It's it's priced decently well.
How
I think
decently well?
3K or 4K or something. Yeah. Or maybe less.
So
It could have been a
I bought the
50%
cheaper
discount.
one.
It could have been a 50% discount.
cheaper
Yeah.
version.
Okay, but
This
from
also.
2000 to
Say roughly 2,000.
okay around
Yeah.
okay 3000.
I try to forget these bad purchases. How much they actually cost.
अभी 3,000 बोल रहा था.
हाँ 2000 पे आ गया.
1,500. I'm selling for 1,500. Anyone? Any takers? No takers.
Is this a Lancer model?
Don't put your finger in this. I feel like it's getting the wrong people to put their finger in there.
Okay, so this says 97%.
Yeah.
I know none of this
Of what?
matters, but what
No, no, 90% of the time it does not work.
Yeah. It tells you the percentage of times not working, and apparently if you press it, then it does this light.
P2. No,
Yeah,
F2.
And then there's F3.
F3 is
Oh,
Light off. So you don't know you're going to die now, apparently. So the mosquito's like, oh, this looks safe. Let's go there.
Only the mosquitoes can see this light.
Yeah. I don't know.
And
So
that's it?
That's it, man. And this is, it's been haunting me ever since.
How long have you had this for? Like, when did you buy this?
About like 6 months ago.
6 months is
Been
a
crying
good
ever
enough
since,
time.
every day, every night. Yeah, me and the mosquitoes.
light.
Yeah.
But in good light.
It's great. Like the mosquitoes, they bite me
Yeah.
and we chat about it.
You
It's fine.
haven't found a solution after that.
Besides slapping myself in the face every night?
bat.
No. The bat? Oh, no. The bat, I'm not a fan of the bat thing.
Why?
It's too
Because
aggressive.
they kill.
It's too aggressive.
Yeah, it's too aggressive.
It's too violent.
Yeah.
Okay, listen, you can't have.
But I
both.
like the smell though.
No, you-
when you get it.
Oh, when he gets hold on to it, and it's like he's
And you're
dead.
saying
No.
it's too aggressive.
Yeah.
And you're like,
It
oh,
still
the
is. Just
smell.
because I like it doesn't mean it's not aggressive.
It's his perfume. He likes that kind of stuff. But fried mosquito.
Yeah.
You can't have both. You can't be like it's too aggressive and
Yeah.
then be like इसमें कोई मर नहीं रहा है.
Correct. No, I'm just embracing malaria now. So just going
I've
with it.
had malaria. It's
Oh shit, sorry.
no,
Sensitive topic.
no, I'm not sensitive.
I didn't mean about it.
We having
I don't know,
malaria.
even sensitive or something.
He's also had malaria twice.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I apologize
I
to you.
did feel bad
Yeah.
about the time.
Anyone wants this?
Has anyone
I
used?
have this.
Oh, you have this.
I have a cheaper version of this. Remember? I think
Which
it was
works.
called-
If you say it works.
No.
If you
no,
say it
no,
works.
No. It's worse because in that there's a hole and there's a light on top and light at the bottom, and there's a big hole in the center. Okay.
For them to pass
For them to
and not
so
die.
I waited when I bought mine. I was excited. Okay, I want to see what happens. How do they die? And I'm waiting. Okay. And a mosquito just flew through it. Nothing.
But yours sounds more like a club. Like it's like, let's go party.
bouncer.
Yeah, with a bouncer in there. Nice. Does any of y'all...
Any of you have? Oh,
Why are they
there's one.
flying out of this?
Where is this coming from? This fly.
I'm not taking this home at all.
That's F3.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
You think it's been working this whole time and now he brought it here and he put it off and
Let me put.
we're free.
That's the thing. You buy it, they come stay there, and you go and drop it at your friend's place. And they all fly off there.
By the way, just saying. This
Sharing
is,
love.
Yeah.
No, I'd say this is F3.
Yeah.
This is F4. It changes
More off.
twice. Yeah, I guess it's just. And then it's off.
They didn't give me a manual to read. They just said it'll do the job.
Destroy.
Yeah.
Do the job.
Does someone else have something close to this? A light wala?
Has anyone tried one of these?
अरे ए प्लेन उधर से जाओ प्लेन काम चल रहा है
I said it's the airport. Oh my god.
This, but this is good.
Yeah.
Are you going to sell it for
Yeah, we'll put it on, like, people can buy it.
OLX? OLX is a great place to scam
Oh,
people.
damn. Really?
Yeah.
To
Scam people.
scam people.
This is a scam only. You're trying
Yeah.
to sell this.
It killed 6,000 mosquitoes.
Yeah. You can be like, अरे अंदर थोड़े मरे
I'll
तो
kill
पड़े
the
मिलेंगे."
mosquitoes and scatter them
Yeah,
around.
just put it.
I like this
In the
campaign.
description, put selling urgently, need money quickly.
Yeah.
That's my
Buying iPhone 17 Pro.
Please don't ring the bell. I'm keeping this outside the house. Take it. Just take it from
Keep money
outside.
under carpet. Thank you.
It says over here high voltage risk mosquito lamp. This is a lamp for mosquitoes.
Oh, I knew I didn't read this. Oh, see, I was right. That means they can see better.
कितना अच्छा आदमी है हमारे light.
Yeah. Because I think mosquitoes can't see too well in the dark sometimes. It happens.
You know how
Yeah.
we have lights during Christmas in
There's another one out here.
So nice. Yeah.
Why are there more coming?
Oh, another one flew past. They are inside. I think this is the first time they've been disturbed. You haven't opened.
Yeah. They're like, we are not paying for this service anymore.
Okay, now
Yeah.
we come
Hoezaay,
to.
hoezaay.
Look at me like that.
Oh, I'm sorry, man. I saw your hand go there. Oh.
Hey, look, I just want to say that this time I don't have any like funny gadgets, okay? Because I'm trying to be good with my purchases.
Yeah.
So some of these are very useful.
Okay.
Oh,
Not like
really?
these guys fucking butt plug mosquito lamps.
Hey, do you want a butt plug?
I need a lamp, but the
A butt plug lamp it
but my
is.
lamp can't smell like that.
See, Cyril, a user manual.
Oh man, I knew it. What is this called? Brand?
This is Le Morele.
Oh, nice.
Le Morele. Le Morele.
What
This
is
is
Le
a...
Morele?
Fuck, even I forgot what this is. What is this? Fuck it. No, this is a HDMI switcher.
HDMI switcher.
Yeah,
okay.
so you can have one monitor and connect two HDMI devices to it.
Oh.
ठीक गूगल कर लेना जो भी दिख रहा है.
But doesn't TV come with like multiple HDMI?
They do.
Yeah, but if you don't, then समझे ना?
And no, it's a
सस्ते
valid
वाला TV
question
लिया
because
तो.
But
TVs in the 1980s didn't come with them.
Oh.
Yeah, but apparently hoezaay
जिस
is-
घर पे like landline है वो वाले TV. Yeah. No, but you just bought a 75-inch
TV, yeah.
Yeah, this is not for the TV.
Okay.
Okay. What is it?
This is for the computer.
Which is next to the TV.
Correct. So this is it's actually like it used to be called a KVM switch. I don't know what it's called now, but now it is this thing HDMI switcher. दो इधर से एक उधर से. One goes into the monitor. ऐसे डालने का. The catch is that the cables have to be 1 meter long. Let's move on. You can edit this part out. Quickly moving on. This is a really good thing. Hoshang, I think you will enjoy this.
We'll just sure. Yeah.
This is a much better butt plug.
It is, but it doesn't have a light, okay?
Less
Accessible,
painful.
portable.
Yeah.
So this
I'll hold it if you want.
goes in your butt. I'm just
Yeah.
kidding. This goes into your phone and it has an SD card reader over here.
Oh.
So for people
Wow.
like you and me who are
Yeah.
constantly moving data files
Yeah.
around, you can plug it directly into your phone.
Yes.
Plug it.
Suresh,
तो हमने
that's
गांड में डाल देना. Don't make fun of me.
I love the name of this brand. The brand Conquer. They have conquered the world of USB.
Memory card, USB on both sides, and micro USB
USB.
on one side also, the older format.
I love how you
Hoshang's
want like
redemption.
10 things.
But guess how much?
8,000.
150.
300.
बोले जल्दी बोले
26,000.
400.
450.
450.
और
162.
200.
तुम लोग को लगता है मेरे पास 400 रुपए है? Correct, sir. 200. 200.
Oh, that's not bad.
What an
That's not
amazing
bad.
device
Oh,
this
yeah.
is, bro.
Oh, that's
So what
pretty
have you
cheap.
what have you been transferring
Yeah.
with this recently?
No, just
Nothing.
supposed to use
Okay,
it as a butt plug.
he's been transferring absolutely nothing.
It's just nice to have at this
Yeah,
point.
yeah.
Because you don't know when you'll need it.
He bought this just for the show on it.
So if you don't have a computer or a laptop, you
Yeah.
can plug this directly into your phone. Maybe you want to move footage from a dash cam or move
Yeah.
footage from a phone onto your butt.
Eventually, it all
Yeah,
comes
that's the
down to
theme.
butts.
Theme for today.
Yeah,
You
is
don't-
butts.
You don't need a screen anymore. You just see it in front of your eyes.
Since you're talking so much about butt and all, did you pay by GPay?
स्कैनर थोड़ा अलग है उसका. Like, sir, आपके पास स्कैनर है? हाँ है ना. No, but this is genuinely a really great product. 200 में ले लेना please. Link Govind description में डाल देगा.
हाँ डाल देंगे मुझे मतलब
I mean, you don't want to buy that lamp and all. Fuck that.
yeah.
But now the big one. Right?
Yes.
Oh god, this is a good one.
Yeah.
Makeup kit.
Chingam.
Please.
So this is, I guess there are other brands also. Portronics makes it's called Cleansify.
Cleansify.
Smart wireless ear
piles.
otoscope.
Your otoscope.
Your otoscope.
Yours.
This is the wildest thing you.
I'll hold it.
Portronics made it.
Thank you, Govind.
Yeah, they did.
Brand which made my portable charger.
Bro,
And they
the
have
cleaner
headphones as
all
well.
that
And the
shit.
cleaner and everything.
Same guys. Muh
They
mein
made
mat
an-
dal, साले क्या कर रहे हो?
Sorry.
So you put this on, it has a little camera on the end over there, dude.
Oh.
And then you put this in
Your butt. This is the ultimate level of butt play.
Once you buy it,
This
you
is
can
the
use
bigger version. That's the more compact version.
इसमें कैमरा नहीं है.
Yeah, that's what.
Bro, there is a camera on the end of this thing. Can you believe that shit?
Wait, this is to clean ears.
Yeah, explain what the
you
product
can do
is.
what you want with it after you buy it, sir.
Okay.
It's yours after. They don't check. But it's for your ears.
It's for your ears.
Yeah.
Comes with a
They
bunch
claim
of
that. Yeah,
comes
for
the bu-
marketing, that's good. Yeah.
bunch of attachments and stuff.
Can you, what attachments?
So I honestly don't know, but other attachments like little replacement tips, shit like that. And
What to put in your
and you
ear?
can see inside, and it is the most disgusting, amazing thing you ever seen in your life.
Disgustingly amazing.
Yeah.
The camera works properly. Like
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can
yeah.
see.
Basically. I'll show you inside. Don't worry. But the
Wait,
camera
sorry,
works-
Jose, is this the footage you're transferring with your? Must be your wax.
I don't need that for this because ये wirelessly हो जाता है.
You can directly send it to your phone.
These people are so easily entertained. I'm like, whoa! They're like, wow!
No, but this is
Bro, it's brilliant.
wild. I didn't know this
So,
existed.
It's too disgusting to show you here, but I will send you footage on WhatsApp. आप डाल देना video में. Bro, don't pretend like you haven't watched those videos of popping pimples and shit like that.
Yeah,
Those have the highest views. Kaisa? Huh? Were you all skipping away from the video? No, like, double tap, looking for the next video. और दिखाओ. तुम आप घर में बना सकते हो अभी इसके साथ. Oh my God. Dude, it's really amazing. I mean, disgusting as hell, but
does it
it's
work?
brilliant.
Is it a
As
good
a-
ear cleaner?
It works.
Yeah, exactly, as a ear
It is a good
cleaner.
ear cleaner.
What made you buy it though?
Yeah.
Very
This
curious. I see.
ये गंदगी. Bro, it's incredible. I'm
Okay,
telling you.
one more thing.
But I am planning to use it for like cinematic shots or all. Like, if I can you imagine this shot? How amazing it look?
Oh yeah.
Put here.
How good is the camera?
Amazing. I mean,
What
I don't
quality
know
is it? Like HD, 180p? What is it?
very good. I honestly don't know. I don't know.
Yeah.
But दिख रहा है सब. वो सब. And it's got this little light on the end, so it makes whatever you're putting
Wait, but
inside.
are you supposed to do it to yourself or someone else?
So that's up to you.
Okay.
तुम लोग क्या करते हो? But
Yeah.
you hold the phone.
Camera, then you can. You just look at the.
No, you can
Then
use it
live.
yourself. So you keep the phone in front of you and you go like that.
Basically, Jose is live streaming from his ears. He's going to be doing a live stream. It's going to be
KaanMasti.
KaanMasti literally is going to happen.
This is exactly KaanMasti.
It's a new logo, guys.
See, I don't fuck around with products, so that's why I'm the first guest on this show.
Yes.
Take it
Yes.
seriously.
I take this very seriously. He calls me 6 months in advance. कुछ लिया है, कुछ अच्छा लेके
Start
आना
preparing
साले.
right now.
But I'm telling you, bro.
But you know, the thing is that he didn't even bring this for the show.
I know, it's just in
No,
general.
he roams with it every day. It's in his pocket. He's just,
With the attachments.
yeah, he's
You
like,
don't know when you're going to need which
he's
one.
a random guy. Have you seen this?
वो आदमी सिग्नल पे क्या कर रहे होते हैं?
Do we know what this is? It's an attachment.
Yeah, so when your wax comes out, you just basically scoop it like that.
Wax
Not
tray.
here. You
Wax tray.
Wax tray it is.
Dude, you know on Carter Road or Marine Drive they come, they want to clean
Ah,
your
to clean
This
your
is what we
ears.
should have now. This is the next level of that.
This would be like digital version.
Digital
of that.
You
version,
already have
yeah.
those guys sitting in the footpath and they can't
Yeah.
some big
Yeah.
thing. You can
And he's like, मैं आपको video WhatsApp कर
Live
दूँ.
footage दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको. Yeah.
Like, you know, शादी में pictures मिलता है. like, आपका कान साफ हो गया, आपको video चाहिए? बहुत गंदा है, चाहिए?
But this is good for a self-prostate examination also. Is it
Like I said, it's your money. What do you want to do with it?
Yeah.
It's totally up to you, sir.
Really, it's a good
There's
use.
no terms and conditions also कि आप अपना
I think
उधर नहीं
Suresh is
डाल सकते
asking
हो.
if you'll do it for him.
Yeah, it's like buying a rolling paper. You use it for whatever you want. We are not saying
But,
it.
but would you know what to look for if you're just doing
What,
a
in the
prostate?
ears or
No,
prostate?
no,
For
I meant
years,
the-
I mean.
yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, sorry.
It's meant for years.
Oh,
does it clean?
3,000. Yeah, it cleans, no?
3,000 इस पे लिखा है. I got it for
3,000.
less.
What do
Like,
you mean he cleans? Of course he cleans. Why is he
1,700
putting it in his ears otherwise?
1,700.
No, but
You
look,
inside. He just wants to see what's inside.
I find it totally disgusting. But there are couples who like to help each other and clean each other.
What?
Yeah.
Ears?
Yeah.
Who are you hanging out with?
Let's take a audience poll. Phone a friend बाद में audience poll. Any couples?
Couples who clean each other's ears?
झूठ बोल रहे हैं सब लोग.
People
झूठ.
into ear play.
They're too ashamed to admit it.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
yeah, it'll fix your marriage.
Yeah.
It'll be like, कितना गंदा है she. I love you so much. Such a sweet person. But genuinely,
There's
Yeah,
You can do a tattoo also inside the
agree
ears.
with you.
You can do a tattoo inside the ears. Wax के साथ.
you can
Love you,
remove the
darling.
Sculpture,
tattoo
sculpture.
from inside your ears.
Like
there's something creepy about there being a
Yeah.
camera.
Not
at the
something, everything about this is
Everything.
creepy, bro. But it's amazing.
end. Fact that there's a camera. Okay, now that I have it
And
in my
see
hand.
it?
wait till your audience sees the footage on screen right now. Right over Cyril's face. The whole of the ear. You can see every strand of hair. and shit.
Oh,
Yeah,
how many?
yeah.
How many did you
It's
count?
like watching 4K YouTube. David Attenborough, like Nat Geo videos. And wow, fuck, ये गुफा है क्या है?
You should put those footage out like that footage out with voiceovers.
It'll do better.
Yeah.
It'll do better than my current YouTube channel. I'm telling you.
Make
Live voiceovers happening right here. ne?
Yes, voiceover person is here.
ये कान के अंदर क्या है कान का कचरा है
Suresh can do it in Bachchan sir. और वो उसके
और ये उनके कान के अंदर देखिए ये बच्चे को साइड में हटाइए
Hey, now that
It's
this is,
brilliant though.
Now that this is in my hand, I want to ask you something.
You wanna try it
Have
out?
you- No, have you used this?
Just touch it once, lick it once. No.
It's relatively clean.
It's clean. It's very clean.
No, he's definitely used it. I've seen the footage.
Oh, you have?
No.
You know, you get those spam messages you should never open. He's like, hey, check this out. I was like, oh, what? Cool. I bought a new phone after that.
But I'm telling you, the videos are so like stark and crazy to look at because very rarely will you see this point of view of a camera
Yeah, where is the camera? It's inside here.
right
in
at the
hole?
tip. Yeah, it's at the tip.
Right at the tip, yes.
What if it falls down the camera?
In your ears.
In the ear. Oh, that's a real fear.
Yes.
Then you can keep monitoring with your phone. आज थोड़ा और अंदर गया.
It's 24/7 Big Boss for your ear.
But this
Yeah.
not just a ear cleaner with a camera. Like you want cinematic shots. You can be a creator, influencer,
Influencer.
content creator. Yeah.
Cinematic
I'm
camera.
telling you.
I really want to use this one. Like, hi guys. Today I've come here.
People are like, what the fuck is that?
What is this camera? How small?
Is it नाक में डाल सकता है? You do whatever. you want.
Jose, I just want to ask you something medically. You know, this disclaimer होना चाहिए ना.
sure.
They say Johnson buds use नहीं करना चाहिए कान में.
Correct.
तो यहाँ पे कुछ steel wheel and camera सब डाल.
No. It's actually meant to be a medical device.
Oh.
ठीक से देखो, ठीक है?
Oh, okay.
साला wig है तेरे पास मतलब बता ये क्या है?
वो डॉक्टर होजे बताइए.
It's made so that you scoop, sir. You don't go. You
you
don't
can
start your
scoop.
car in your ear like that.
Acha, tell me something. But you enjoy it when you're doing like.
Is it the
Johnson
same
bud
level of
डाले,
enjoyment? Yeah.
I don't know.
You really you tried it, na Baba?
Enjoyment is subjective, sir. So I don't know.
Were you bleeding?
But I had the best time. No bleeding and all. With the lamp, little bit. पर वो जल्दी heal हो गया.
Are you taking it today?
No, I'm good.
Nobody wants it. Nobody wants it. I've never seen a product being rejected so badly.
This looks like an ad, but this wins. This wins. I don't know what you get, Jose. I'm sorry.
He takes it back.
Yeah. 100 out of 10. 100 out. Sorry.
मेरा 500 रुपए अवेश.
Sorry.
It's okay. We can't reach it. We'll leave it there for now.
Yeah.
अरे ये angle अच्छा रहेगा.
You can actually throw it. Did you throw it and see what the camera catches?
Great idea, bro.
Like those GoPro videos.
That's a cinematic shot you need.
Dude, I'm gonna make a paper aeroplane.
Yeah.
उसको ऊपर से डाल.
Because this is what I
ऊपर मार.
Yes.
And it goes
भारी
straight.
नहीं हो जाएगा paper aeroplane?
बड़ा वाला बनेगा ना.
Big one.
I was thinking about this, and then you were like, ये नाक में डालना है, ये कान में. I was like, but ये भी तो कर सकते हैं.
I'm not very good with the ideas department. Thank you, Govind.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
great.
yeah, try it.
Even dentists can use this, yeah. Cavity.
वो
cavity
कैटी
check.
लेकिन ऐसा.
Oh yeah,
And
use it
ऊपर
as a slingshot.
What you might not be able to get it back.
Yeah.
What bird was that?
I'm not sure. It went by very fast.
Okay, now we're on to our last segment. Since you won this, Jose,
You get to pick
this is, we gave you guys chits with a question on it. The question was, what's a purchase you'll defend forever but others find stupid? Or just mention anything funny that you own. Okay? This was the question. A lot of you gave answers. Would you like to pick one of them, Jose? Yes, sir. Any of them.
pick the first
Any.
one.
I meant
I'll
like
take top.
pick one of them. Here
I
you
did
go.
that.
If you would like to choose one of them.
Okay.
Something to do with butt plug, I'm sure.
This
Would
was-
any of you also want to choose? at the
Somebody
same
just
time?
wrote too many underwears.
Who is this person?
What the hell, bro?
Who wrote this?
Can
It's
never
okay
have.
to have too
Can
many
never have too many underwears. What are you talking about?
Yeah, how many do you have?
45.
That's too many.
Whoa, bro! What the fuck is wrong with you?
Yeah, dude, what the fuck? 45!
Like, do you collect them?
I just went on a trip and I realized I didn't carry one. So from the next time I had like enough.
Wow, now you're prepared for like even if
So-
you travel to the future.
So a suitcase is just underwears. I love it.
Wait, you take all of your 45 underwears with you?
Okay, and do you have like Backup underwear, of course.
Wear and tear, dude. What do you do for a living? I want to know what you do for a living.
Yeah, what do you mean wear and tear?
Please, 10 udhar pe de de.
The same color, like, is it like different patterns?
different
Is there
designs.
a difference between these 40... 45.
Which is fair. I mean,
Yeah.
dekh raha hai.
So, I mean, this sort of like research purposes, like, what's the best comfortable, most comfortable brand that you
I've
recommend?
never seen an underwear professional. So
Jockey.
Jockey.
Yeah, there
Jockey
you
always
go.
comes out.
You don't own that.
Are you going to buy
VIP
one right
underwear?
now?
I'm coming to your house, sir.
With the camera.
Hello. Jockey is the best. What other brands have you?
VIP you never bought with the side windows and all.
Side windows.
Side windows.
VIP underwear used to have that side का thing on the front where
Oh, I know what you mean.
अपना 80s में था वो. अभी- Now it's all enclosed.
But you were
but you're
using
still
that to
using
keep
them.
snacks and all.
That's how he survived Big Boss.
Oh, that's why he said सुबह पहले bathroom जाना चाहिए. This is removing the snacks.
He's keeping bananas in there, man.
He's like banana
That
chips.
was the problem.
वो तीखा वाला banana chips.
Tikka wala.
Tikka.
Salted banana chips. Okay.
Salt किधर और से आया?
I think we got that part.
This is like typical KaanMasti conversation now.
Yeah.
Disgusting. How old are you guys?
I wanted to ask this because I'm interested to know about this. Meta classes. Who has written?
Oh.
And are you wearing it right now?
No.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's you?
Okay.
I think it's expensive, but it's just useless. It's just one of those earphones with a specs. basically.
Yeah.
Oh, you have. How much did you get it for? I don't know how much it costs.
25?
$300.
25k something.
बाप रे.
Yeah.
It's useless.
Lens cut.
Lens cut. Yeah.
Progressive
Suresh,
lens.
If you take that camera, his ear camera, and tie it to there, you cracked it, dude. How much you paid? $300? How much is yours? $300? $600 Meta glasses. You cracked it, Suresh. You got to do it. And you can give a free bag of dhania with it. Even. You cracked it.
But why is it useless? You haven't used it?
I have it, but it's. I don't.
It's in your pocket.
Yeah.
Oh, you really
Is it
don't
like a power
this
glass or
glass.
sunglasses?
No, it's a sunglass.
Sunglass.
Hey, thank you for
But why
not
do you
recording
use it?
us right now, dude. I
Oh
didn't
no,
know that
one
was a
second. I'm
problem.
offended he didn't record us with that creepy glasses. Yeah, I mean that's expected.
Are you the creepy dog toy that's following just with the Meta camera?
No.
Oh, look.
I'll give you the butt plug for this.
Throw in a lamp if you want.
Do you have Meta
No,
glass?
no.
Oh. Does anyone wanna?
Wow.
Oh shit.
And they've done an in-display version also, na?
Tap it, right?
Just click this.
It's got X-ray vision also.
Is it? Arey,
Is it?
Sub
taken
TV.
Something is happening.
Yeah, the
What's
photo's gone to
happening?
his camera now.
But
Send you the picture later.
why do you not like this?
He has no use for them.
No, it's fairly expensive.
I mean, you bought it already. Then you
Yeah,
thought
might as well
like
use it now.
I thought it would have much more use for it, but it doesn't seem.
Yeah, because it's all.
You know, I felt the same way about this lamp out here. I felt really the same way.
But Jose would like to make a bid for it.
No.
Content create कर सकते हो आप, yeah?
Jose is not into.
Yeah?
He only puts things in his ears. I think that's a regular camera is not. That's not his thing.
Okay. But now that you have it, you should just roam the streets and film like animals or cats or something.
Yeah.
What?
They're
But
not
then you-
humans. Don't do it.
They're all
to
walking on the
humans.
streets, yeah?
Avoid
Wait, I'm
humans.
sorry.
There's all these on the road like that.
But have you tried recording something with this?
Yeah. While cycling or playing.
Yeah, he got arrested right after that. You're like, sir, kya kar rahe hain? You got to be careful with that shit, no? Be a little like.
Yeah. Do you have to like
Bathroom
take
mein on
people's
mat
Bathroom mein.
He's like, oh shit, we are live streaming.
Bathroom में sunglasses पहन के कौन जाता है?
In the chat, everybody.
In the chat?
Brinjal.
All right. Thank you so much, guys.
That's the end of the show. Thank you. Give it up for Jose Covaco.